too. Pretty much, yeah.
That's yours. Sick.
You got this.
Your antennas aren't up.
Oh my. Oh, hello.
Jack's gonna take his drone off and he's gonna come through this little creek here with a lot of trees, so it's a little risky, but he's gonna come under the bridge and then loop around. It's gonna be sick. So, what's up?
That's insane. Oh, there he is. Down and then like
Let's not look at the camera.
have you guys are walking, yeah. I'll put my camera.
Should you walk like single file line?
I don't know what would look the best. Maybe you guys like, I don't know.
Holding hands.
Want some like activity or something? I don't know.
It'd be kind of cool. I think single file-ish, like not like.
Well,
super,
okay, you
not
guys are
perfect.
walking across the bridge. No, that's what you guys are doing. That's the main point there. So that you just leave. I mean, if you want, leave a little gap, and I'll split between you guys. Okay. Well, I'll go slower, but like just start from over there, walk this way, and then I'm gonna go down in here so you don't see me. money.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Sick.
What it hit, you know?
That tree right there.
That one all the way up there.
I think I was like right in here somewhere. I was trying to dive out and up and around.
Oh.
I'm a trained drone tracker. You can tell. Drone.
Oh yeah.
Listen there.
It's true. I hit right there.
Did you feel it?
Can't end on a miss, you know?
Should I split my legs?
Yeah, you should.
Yeah, do it.
Maybe do it.
Dude, this is.
Oh! We made it out.
Found like 3 alders here. Oh my gosh!
Oh, it just destroyed the battery. That's it. So it hit the battery right here. That's so crazy. That's so sick. Got that on camera, dude. That's insane. Dude, look at that thing. Oh, that's scary. That might think I start on fire. Dude, that's like the best spot it could have hit, though.
It hits there right in your new 04.
Yeah, that's so sick.
Oh my gosh.
Is it warm? I don't know, dude. That battery's already trash anyway, so I'm glad it's that one. Because I already cut up that. So that's so sick. That's perfect. Best case scenario.
That's insane.
That was crazy.
I shipped a bunch of mine to California and had Turner ship them up for me. Yeah, that just took a while, but it worked. There's just my battery sticking out the top.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I don't know. I'm scared to put this thing in my car.
See that clip, Colson? That was faster.
Yeah, that's true. Probably right at the end there. Some use on it.